In today's competitive HVAC market, effective marketing strategies can make the difference between thriving and merely surviving. This presentation explores 7 proven HVAC marketing approaches that can transform your business operations and customer acquisition efforts. From traditional networking to cutting-edge digital tools, these strategies provide a comprehensive framework for HVAC companies looking to expand their reach, enhance their brand, and ultimately increase their revenue. Networking and referral marketing are powerful tools for HVAC companies. Joining BNI groups offers business networking opportunities specifically designed for owners to refer each other. By participating in multiple chapters, owners and salespeople can maximize reach and referral opportunities. Proven results show that some HVAC companies generate hundreds of dollars in revenue through networking groups alone. Google My Business optimization is crucial for HVAC companies. Setting up your GMB listing with complete and accurate information about your services is the first step. Focus on review velocity by consistently gathering new reviews. Having just 30 reviews with 5 stars isn't enough in today's competitive market. Automate review collection using software like NiceJob that connects with your service management platform to automatically send review requests after job completion. The power of follow-up cannot be underestimated. Start with the initial request, sending the first review request immediately after job completion. Allow customers an evaluation period to experience the service before reviewing. Follow-up reminders via email and text message. A few days later, increase the likelihood of receiving authentic, detailed reviews. This strategy enhances customer satisfaction and boosts your online reputation. Building a strong brand is essential for standing out in the HVAC market. Memorable branding ensures your company is easily remembered. Professionalism should be projected through your brand elements, showcasing quality and reliability. Premium pricing can be commanded through perceived value, differentiating your business from competitors and justifying premium pricing. Brand recognition brings numerous benefits to HVAC companies. Direct searches increase as customers look for your company name instead of generic terms. Lower ad costs are achieved through reduced cost per click for branded search terms. Better performance is seen across all marketing channels with strong branding, and increased trust leads customers to choose a recognized brand more readily. A professional website design is vital for HVAC businesses. Ensure your website works perfectly on smartphones and tablets, where most customers will view it. Fast loading is crucial, as customers won't wait for slow websites. Clear navigation makes it easy for visitors to find what they need without digging through multiple pages. Prominent contact options should display phone numbers and contact forms prominently on every page. Website conversion optimization is key to turning visitors into customers. When a visitor arrives from various marketing channels, the first impression is crucial. Professional design builds immediate trust and credibility. Easy navigation ensures visitors quickly find relevant service information. Contact action, with prominent call buttons and forms, makes it simple to reach out and engage with your business. Local service ads provide exceptional return on investment compared to other channels. With a ROI of $20, $27 per $1 spent, these ads appear at the very top of Google search results, ensuring visibility. Paying per lead, not per click, with the ability to dispute irrelevant leads, ensures 100% qualified leads. This makes local service ads an essential component of any comprehensive marketing strategy. Phone system optimization is crucial for HVAC companies. Your phone system is the first point of customer contact, and frontline defense is essential. Regularly listen to and evaluate customer calls through call monitoring. Implement systems to measure call conversion rates for performance tracking. Without proper training and systems, expensive leads may never convert to booked jobs, making call tracking and regular performance reviews essential for maximizing your marketing ROI. Call tracking implementation is vital for HVAC businesses. Use dedicated call tracking software like CallRail to monitor all incoming customer calls. Record calls for quality assurance, tag calls by type, and track marketing source attribution. Analyze key performance indicators to identify improvement opportunities. Small improvements in call handling can dramatically increase revenue, improve customer experience, and achieve growth without additional marketing spend. CRM system implementation can transform HVAC business operations. Centralized data keeps all customer information and job history in one accessible location. Streamlined estimates create professional quotes with standardized pricing tools. Scheduling efficiency optimizes technician routes and appointment booking. Business analytics track performance metrics and identify growth opportunities, making CRM systems an invaluable asset for HVAC companies. Implementing a robust CRM system like Service Titan, House Call Pro, or JoberWorks can transform your HVAC business operations. These platforms enable more productive workflows, easier client estimating, and better overall business management. The right CRM solution integrates with your marketing efforts, creating a seamless pipeline from lead generation to job completion and follow-up. Professional photography is essential for HVAC companies looking to enhance their brand image. Document your team's professional installation work to showcase craftsmanship and attention to detail. Capture authentic moments with customers to build trust and demonstrate your service quality. Show off your professional team, branded vehicles, and modern equipment to establish credibility and attract new clients. The problem with stock images is their lack of authenticity. Generic stock photos fail to show your actual team and work quality, creating an outdated impression. Overused content appears across multiple competitor websites, reducing trust as customers can easily identify stock photos. Replacing stock images with professional photos of your actual team and work enhances credibility and customer trust. Photography implementation strategy is crucial for HVAC companies. Determine the content type, equipment needed, and best practices for capturing job site photos, team photos, customer testimonials, and equipment installations. Use smartphones with good cameras for job site photos, DSLRs for team photos, and ensure good lighting for equipment installations. Get permission for customer testimonials and prepare questions in advance to capture authentic interactions. Creating a cohesive brand image is essential for HVAC companies. Establish brand guidelines with consistent colors, fonts, and visual elements. Use professional photos to create a library of authentic company images. Incorporate branded visuals throughout online presence and apply consistent branding to vehicles, uniforms, and materials. This cohesive approach strengthens your brand identity and enhances customer recognition. Marketing strategy integration is key to achieving maximum impact for HVAC companies. By combining various strategies, you can create a comprehensive marketing plan that addresses all aspects of your business. This integration ensures that each strategy complements the others, leading to a more effective and cohesive approach to reaching your target audience and achieving your business goals. Implementation timeline is crucial for maximizing seasonal growth in HVAC businesses. Month 1 focuses on foundations, setting up Google My Business, optimizing your website, and implementing call tracking. Month 2 emphasizes networking, joining BNI groups, establishing referral systems, and training phone staff. Month 3 is dedicated to advertising, launching local service ads, and implementing CRM systems. Month 4 focuses on visual content, ensuring professional photography and brand consistency across all channels. Key takeaways for effective HVAC marketing include balancing digital and traditional strategies, focusing on review velocity, and building a memorable brand. Optimize the full pipeline by ensuring phone systems and CRM solutions effectively convert marketing leads into booked jobs. Use authentic visuals by replacing stock photos with professional images of your actual team and work. These strategies will help you achieve maximum impact and growth in the competitive HVAC market.